Hello, everyone. My name is Robin Tyndall, and I'm from Hypertherm Associates. I'm happy to introduce Hypertherm's fellow, Nate Maybach. Nate is a rising junior at UNH studying sustainability and women and gender studies. They're also an RA on campus and a member of the Nordic ski team. Nate is interning virtually from the Minneapolis area, where they are training with other top Nordic skiers. Nate brings enthusiasm and creativity to this project and has been very self-directed in interacting with and interviewing numerous Hypertherm associates to glean information needed for the project. I have appreciated Nate's smart questions and optimistic attitude, and am very grateful for the work done to move us forward.
Thank you so much for that wonderful introduction, Robin. My name's Nate, and I've had the privilege of working on developing research on awards and recognition for Hypertherm this summer as their sustainability fellow. I'm a rising junior, and I'm studying sustainability and women's studies at UNH. So why are awards and recognition so important for a company? Well, according to Forbes, medium-sized businesses that sought out awards consistently had a 39% increase in revenue and a 21% increase in sales. And as you can see, this is really important for brand recognition and development. The three-stage process of my project is to learn from other associates like Robin, develop a large index of awards and recognition, and then apply to 3 of them that I think would provide a valuable benchmark for the company. I have 4 main project deliverables that I've been working on throughout the summer. The first one that I've already finished is the ED Net Zero Awards, which celebrate a company that has really invested in decarbonization work and has interacted with their Scope 3 entities and suppliers to really bring down their carbon emissions. I submitted that on July 21st, and then I'm currently working on 2 other main deliverables, and this is the ERG Impact Awards, which celebrate a company that has really developed employee resource groups such as the LGBTQ+ Task Force and the Substance Use Disorder Recovery Task Force, as well as the Fast Company's Most Innovative Companies. And this is a really valuable benchmarking opportunity for Hypertherm, where I'll be focusing on the innovations that Hypertherm has brought to the sustainability space. Finally, I'll be submitting this big matrix of awards of 40 awards, and you can see the top row listed there of what I'm filling out. And this will be really valuable for Hypertherm in order to apply for awards in the future. So I have learned so much about corporate social responsibility and the sustainability framework that permeates Hypertherm. The first I've learned is that corporate social responsibility is about engaging with the triple bottom line, which is people, planet, and profits. The corporate social responsibility team sets and tracks goals like this. For example, off to the right here, you'll see Hypertherm's Greener Cuts program, which is an element of their 2030 goals. They aim to completely have carbon neutral operations within their scope 1 and 2 emissions, eliminate 50% of their waste. They've diverted 70 million tons from the landfill already, so they're doing a pretty good job. Reduce customer carbon by 50% by interacting with all of their scope 3 entities, and also achieve a circular economy score of B from the Circulytics assessment, which is really difficult. Hypertherm also has a really developed sense of volunteerism and philanthropy, which they achieve through their Hope Foundation, their philanthropic branch. Part of this is paying all employees for community service and really allowing them to go into their communities and make a positive impact. Another example of this is Hypertherm's Green Business Indicators, which track methods of sustainability along with other key business indicators such as revenue and sales. All of this leads to a sense of shared culture of sustainability that allows the company to continuously grow, and this is something that I've learned throughout this summer. Finally, if you're interested in connecting with me on LinkedIn to learn more about corporate social responsibility, urban planning, and also general UNH sustainability things, please use this QR code. So thank you so much.